Okay, here comes the first question you must ask before selling your home. Should I prepare my house before selling it? Well, this is all about the first impressions. First impressions matter in dating, in meeting a potential employer, and first impressions especially matter in real estate. Anyone looking at your home for the first time will be looking for ways to disqualify it or for reasons to negotiate down on the price. Each room should look clean and decluttered with no obvious damage in sight. Manicure the lawn, clean the windows, hire a stylist, do a little dance, do everything you can to avoid reasons to disqualify your home or its price. First impressions matter, and this is the first question you must ask before selling your home. What kind of first impression do I want to make? In fact, go ahead and drop a comment below and answer the question, what kind of first impression do I want to make for my potential buyers? All right.